Greetings, viewers. Hi, everybody. This is Porky Pig and Big Bird. We want you to know what's going on in 2014. You know about the Annie Awards? Annie Awards? It's even for animation. So, I didn't get any Looney Tunes nominated. I feel sorry for Daffy Duck. He's quite so disappointed. In fact, didn't you say he was so embarrassed? Well, I heard he was so upset that Pixar was getting all the attention. Oh, Disney, right? Yes, of course. Well, I do feel sorry for Daffy, too. My film Fallout, that bird, was on Warner Brothers. So, about the Oscars, I didn't see nominations for Looney Tunes on the Oscars either. Well, I was hoping that new documentary about me, I Am Big Bird, hopefully it'll be nominated after its premiere. I'm really excited because it's all about me. Oh boy, you're so excited. I am. Sesame Street turning 45 this year. We're celebrating our 45th season. Wow, that's so incredible. Of course it's exciting. Well, that's all, folks. Bye-bye. Toodaloo.